A guest walks through the lobby doors, pulls their luggage across the floor, and approaches the desk, smiling. "Hi, I have a reservation." If it is your first week, this exact moment can trigger instant panic. You turn to your monitor, and the Opera property management system is staring back at you. A dense grid of codes, nested menus, and endless blank text fields. We are going to clear away that clutter. By isolating the exact buttons you need, we can distill that chaotic screen into a foolproof 7-step sequence for the perfect guest check-in. Before you greet a guest, you need your station prepared. Ensure you are actively logged in with your user ID, your main dashboard is open, and you have a stack of blank magnetic keycards within reach. Executing this single, systematic routine will move you past the anxiety of the interface, allowing you to focus entirely on welcoming the guest with confidence. This is the main Opera dashboard. Your starting point is right here on the left side, the front desk button. Clicking this takes you immediately to the search screen. Ask the guest for their last name or their confirmation number. A confirmation number is the fastest route to a direct match, but most guests will simply give you their name. This is where the first bottleneck usually happens. If the guest has a complex name, or if the booking agent made a typo, typing the exact name into the search bar will simply return 0 results, bringing the check-in to a dead halt. You bypass this by using the wildcard. By typing what you know and adding an asterisk at the end, Opera will instantly pull up every reservation that starts with those letters, completely sidestepping spelling errors. Mastering the wildcard search keeps the interaction moving smoothly, eliminating the awkward silence that happens when you cannot find a guest in the system. Once you locate the correct profile, open it. The screen will dynamically populate with all the guests' contact data, stay dates, and the specific room type they booked. Read these details back to the guest. Confirming aloud that they are staying for 3 nights in a king room catches miscommunications immediately before you accidentally assign them the wrong accommodation. This grid represents live room inventory. Opera displays the real-time status of every unit using strict color codes. You are trained to look for green, which confirms the room is vacant and ready. Yellow means a dirty space. Red means it is blocked for maintenance. Sticking rigidly to the green room assignments ensures you never hand a guest the key to a room they cannot actually use. With the room assigned, navigate straight to the billing screen. This is where you lock in the financial parameters of the stay. Read the total amount due, including the nightly rate and any taxes, directly to the guest. You need their verbal agreement on the final price before processing their card. This is the payment processing interface. Swipe the physical card to encrypt the data automatically, or manually type the numbers into these fields if the card reader is down. Skipping this step creates massive downstream problems. If a guest leaves without a card on file, the hotel has no way to collect payment for the room rate, room service, or the minibar, resulting in an unrecoverable loss. Securing payment authorization right now, before generating a key, is the single most effective way you protect the property's daily revenue. You have verified the person, assigned a clean room, and secured payment. Now, click the check-in button to lock the reservation into the system. The moment you click that button, the system dynamically updates. The room's internal status switches from available to occupied, hiding it from other front desk agents. Next, hit print on the welcome folio to generate their paper receipt, and run a blank keycard through the encoder to activate their room access. Finally, slide the keycard and the printed folio across the counter to the guest. Clicking the button finishes the software requirement, but handing over the physical items with a genuine welcome is what finalizes the hospitality transaction. The guest is now walking to their room. The account is open, the payment is secured, and your system inventory is perfectly accurate. You did it by following these clear steps. Search with wildcards, verify the green room, pay via the billing screen, and check in to complete. Repeating this exact sequence strips away the complexity of the interface. Soon, your hands will know the keyboard shortcuts intuitively, and you will process arrivals in seconds without even thinking about it. Try this simplified routine on your very next shift. Once you have the check-in process locked down, you will be entirely prepared to tackle the final phase of the guest journey, processing the checkout.